assignments of the students who have submitted over the group. More or less, everyone has written the same thing only, which is correct, right? From installing the app, from downloading the app till the time you have made a purchase, more or less is similar, because you have been since it becomes very easy to give a structured answer when you have some framework. So for product metrics, we discussed there is a framework. For the funnel analysis also, we discussed the framework, right? So today we will be discussing extending our discussion to funnel analysis only. I think product metrics is clear to each and everyone now. And for funnel analysis also, we have discussed earlier about the e-commerce funnels. Yesterday we discussed about the Uber funnel. Okay. So today, what we can do is, and funnel structure is also clear to each and everyone, right? Today I will just tell you, why, what is funnel analysis. This is clear to everyone. But why we are doing this funnel analysis? Can any of you tell me why we are doing funnel analysis? Why it is important to do funnel analysis for any product based company?
To get to know the conversion rate of user's journey, from step to step we get
Hmm.
to know the conversion rate.
What will
That's
happen if you get the conversion? What will
uh,
happen? Yeah.
we can forecast our uh, we can forecast our like we can like make better strategies to develop the business. And
Hmm. Nikhil?
When we do the funnel analysis, we get to know in the user journey which phase is to be prioritized, or which phase has the more pinpoints, and which then they can be prioritized.
Okay. Uh, Pratik?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir. Same thing, but also, sir, if suppose I'm working in a company and if I know it at a particular stage the conversion rate is very low, so maybe I'll spend more in that stage, sir. Maybe marketing or maybe anything at any stage. The spending will be according to the conversion rate, sir. Strategy maybe.
Lokesh?
Yeah, there are very many number of metrics that user, but after while doing our final analysis, we can know what are the important metrics that we can be used and where we can improve our metrics rate something to grow our business.
Do anyone wants to answer? Shuman?
So we can do proper analysis of our product, and we can find out the ways through which more customers can interact with our product.
Yeah, see, the question that I asked, right? I asked you why funnel analysis is important, right? Yesterday we were discussing the funnel of Uber. So where we discussed, the numbers, the top of the funnel conversion is poor as compared to the bottom of the funnel, right? Because there are so many customers who downloads the app, but they do not do sign up, or even if they do sign up, they don't, do the payment or book up, right? So everyone has given the decent answer, but whenever you are giving interview, right, the quality of the answer matters. You all have understood what is funnel analysis, right? So, but you are, and you also know why we are doing it, right? But you are not able to explain me correctly. The reason being is using selection of the words is very important while you are giving whenever you are giving interview, right? So let's say if somebody asks me, why funnel analysis is important. So it's pretty simple, right? Funnel analysis we are doing to calculate two things. First thing is to accurately know what is the conversion. Second, to find out what is the drop off, right? If I know from step 1 to step 2 there is a drop off of 50%. So the reason being we are doing funnel analysis because we know exactly where, what is the drop off rate, and where to prioritize the things, right? So let's say there are 15 steps funnel for any product, right? But out of these 15 steps, on which particular step I need to focus in. So all the problems why a particular journey, one particular part of the journey has a poor drop off rate, and very poor conversion, very high drop off rate and very poor conversion rate. So you exactly know where to focus. So second thing is this help us to this helps company to prioritize where to give the bandwidth because see there are lot of employees which company hires, right? Even the bandwidth of the employees is also important, na? You have 100, you have 100 employees, for example, let's say in a company. So you need to see, na, what, where this hard work of 100 employees should be invested. Should we invest at a place which is on not of high priority to the company? Should I invest the manpower, employees, bandwidth to a step where the where the which will improve my conversion rate by, let's say, 10x or 20x? So I should invest the company resources only onto those particular place where the conversion will be better. Okay, this is the second reason. This helps company to identify what is the prioritization thing, right? uh that will write also, so you can see. Hmm. Why we do funnel analysis? The first step is to find out the conversion or drop off. This point we all are very clear with it. Yesterday also we discussed the same, right? Second reason why we find out, to exactly identify the step or area where to focus on, right? Can anyone tell me now what can be the third reason why we are doing funnel analysis? Hello, hello.
Yes, audible.
Yeah, yeah. Can anyone tell me why we are doing a third? What can be the third reason?
To improve the conversion rate.
That we discussed now. That is the first point. So this is our
So
first
as
point.
to create more revenue maybe.
The
Another, yeah,
To
tell.
find the step where the customers are bouncing back.
So in simple terms, I want to say na, it is used. It is used to measure customer actions and behavior,
Yes,
right? What is happening with this conversion, right? What is happening with this conversion or this drop off, right? You are ultimately trying to find out the customer actions and behavior,
yes,
right? So if somebody asks you in an interview, or even for the basic fundamental understanding why we are doing any funnel analysis, right? For any, for all practical purposes, why we are doing any analysis, why we provide the insight to the companies, why a company hires data analyst or product analyst, because they want to understand the customer action and behaviors. And if they are able to understand the customer actions and behavior, they will be able to invest their bandwidth, technology, time everywhere on to improving that particular action and behavior of the customer. If they are able to improve it, that means you are improving the customer experience. If customer experience improves, then definitely the revenue increases. That's the end goal of every company, right? This part is clear to everyone why we are
yes,
doing
yes,
funnel analysis. Hello.
Yes,
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 So
it's
yes.
Yes,
clear.
yes, yes.
why? See, we have discussed in the past what is how to form different funnels, right? Through fundamentals. Now, let's say today also we will discuss on a question. Let's say I want to do the funnel analysis of Zomato or Swiggy. funnel analysis of Swiggy or Zomato, right? So we want to do the funnel analysis of Swiggy and Zomato, right? Now I will let you know to think 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will start writing the journey, and we will write it together, right? I would be expecting each and everyone to give me the steps name. We will discuss if there are any doubts, right? Take a couple of minutes and think in your end what should be the funnel analysis, how to write the user journey for Swiggy or Zomato. Then we will take some some hypothetical numbers and we will see how the conversion rate or drop off rate has increased or dropped, right? So yes, think for a couple of minutes. Shall we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Yeah, so tell me, what should be the first step in the journey of Swiggy?
App download.
ठीक है. See, app downloads and all are yesterday we discussed it's fine, but whenever you are giving interview, to always
Sign
start
up.
from the first steps. Yeah, you should even in the Swiggy and Zomato, uh, in Swiggy, do you know we can order through website also?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, we can.
So we should always start from for which
Question.
journey. You should ask to the interview for which from which medium we have to write, for which source we have to write the user journey. Either it can be app or website, right?
Yes.
Right. And most ofly, right, for most of the companies in India, app traffic is higher than the website. So for all practical purposes, you can assume that you are writing a journey for app, right? So now tell me what should be the first step for the Swiggy journey for a customer who is using Swiggy app.
Login.
Sign up using mobile number.
Think for see login will come for the existing customer. For the new users or who is downloaded app for the first time, it will be
Sign up.
always sign up.
So first will be opening up app.
Sign up.
You
A
should
user will
also
try to search the place or the restaurant through which he want to order the food.
sorry.
Uh, Customer want to search the place or restaurant through which he want to order the food.
No,
This
after sign up, location comes, I guess.
Yes.
so this will after Devendra, this will come after a long time, right? This will won't come just after sign up.
Okay.
So after sign up, which you are done, right? What all the information you will give here while doing the sign up?
Mobile number, name.
Location.
Email ID.
Email ID, name. Okay. And after sign up, these apps take see all whether it's Ola app or Swiggy app, they all rely on your current location, which comes from the GPS. Then they assess the permission, GPS permission,
Yes.
right? So this GPS permission is nothing but cust- current location detect, right? If you want to go deep into this thing, right, you can say when this pop-up comes from the operating system of whether it's iOS or Android, right, there are three options available for while giving current location. Only while using the app, only while using app, right? Every time or deny, right? So now tell me what will come after this current location you have provided.
Address.
Landing page.
Choose the restaurant or find the restaurant.
Okay.
Before choosing food, food, first we have to find the
choose.
But
I mean,
browse the app,
result
sir.
or
Browse. I'll mostly browse the app for offers and
Search for food items by clicking
See,
on the restaurant.
all all these discounts will come in the home page, right? Which is the
Yes,
landing page,
landing page.
right? So discounts and all you can also mention, right? It's good that after GB location, it also depends on the customer, right, Pratik? Let's say if I'm a customer, I might not even go to the discount page, but it's good that you are mentioning as a part of the journey. So we will say home page pe. Uh,
sir, I was saying I will browse the app, sir, not discount. I mean, basically search for everything. I mean, restaurant and offers, everything.
hmm. So what you can do is you will say see so there are different possibility, right, in the Swiggy app. There are different tabs that are available in the Swiggy, right?
Yeah, food, Instamart, and Genie. They are separate.
Right. So one is the by default is the home tab, right? Which is your landing page. Somebody mentioned the landing page, right?
Yes.
Home tab, we call it the landing page. This is the by when you are launching the app, this will always be your the by default, right? So in the landing page, you know what is the option available to the customer? They can choose restaurants or they can also see the discount, right? Discounts they can scroll. They can uh,
Choose the dish.
Past
or
order. Clicking on the past orders.
but I am the first user, na. मैं तो I have downloaded it for the first time.
Okay, okay, okay.
I don't have the past history, right? So then there are there is also option like what's new. Whenever a company launches new things, so they always give this what's new to the customer.
By
Okay,
selecting veg food and non-veg food.
what
Veg food and non-veg foods.
that will come under the product category, right? Food category.
And searching will be there or not?
So in the searching, it depends, right? What you are typing,
Yes.
right? So basically, when a customer comes inside the app now, what they can do is either they can explore the app, okay, explore the app, right? So different options available, or mainly what will customer will do either they will have the tendency to search for the restaurant, right?
Yes.
Search for the restaurant, search for the restaurants. Now what will come after search for the restaurants?
List of restaurants.
Okay, then
Uh, After selecting restaurants, food items.
search for the food category.
search for the restaurant. Tell me when this list of the restaurants will come, what on what basis customer will choose one of the restaurant? What can be the reason to choose one of
Nearest
the
to the
restaurant?
On the basis of discount.
nearest location.
And
Discount.
ratings also, sir. Ratings are also
Ratings,
important.
Ratings
Uh,
or near dishes.
delivery
Discount.
timing.
Well, delivery time
Delivery.
and distance.
Delivery. We call it expected delivery time, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But when you are searching, it does not gives you the time, right? Is
It
it give
just gives
or it
the
does not?
location, which restaurant is near to you. That's all.
Also, we can search for a particular restaurant, right?
What?
Search for a particular restaurant name. I mean, I want something for particular restaurant, then I can order for a particular restaurant.
So if you add to cart, then it gives delivery time, not while searching.
Yeah, after search is completed, then it's give, right? So now tell me, discount is one of the option. Ratings the expected delivery time is the option, and another we are missing on
Customer
one point.
behavior. Customer behavior.
Type of restaurant, Chinese or Indian, etc.
It basically you are saying customer taste, right?
Yes.
One of the reasons customer taste or behavior, we will say it is the behavior, right? Another point can be we are missing one major point.
Restaurant,
Why
restaurant, sorry, hotel
Price,
नहीं या
restaurant
restaurant.
per
Restaurant बोला
person
restaurant.
cost?
price.
Price will come later now. See, I am just selecting a restaurant. Within restaurant, I after selecting a restaurant, then I will order a food. Then only whenever I'm selecting a food item, then only I will get to know the price, right? Beforehand, they don't tell you the price. Let's say there are two restaurants, Domino's Pizza, Pizza Hut, and I don't know now what the customer will be ordering. So I cannot tell you the price upfront. You have to choose one of the restaurant, then you have to choose food items. Then I will tell you the price. ऐसा ही तो होता है. This is how this apps works. Now tell me what is the point that we are missing?
So maybe category veg or non-veg restaurant.
That will also comes after selecting the restaurant. You cannot by default remove non-veg restaurants.
And that is under customer behavior, right?
Customer behavior
No,
we have discussed. This is the
within the
customer.
restaurant, there is an option at the top that you can either choose just veg food or non-veg food.
Or sir, maybe the distance of the restaurant.
But that will Harshvardhan, that will come after you have selected the restaurant. Na? We are at the step of selecting a restaurant.
Sir, you are talking about the filters or what? Sir, there are
Yeah,
different
I am
filters.
talking. We are on a step where we have searched the restaurant. Now list has been popped up. You want to select one restaurant. Now, how a customer is selecting one of the restaurant, right? What are the different parameters that customer is thinking in his head while selecting a restaurant? We are discussing that.
Depend on that person taste what he wants to
So
eat.
we have discussed. Are you following the class? What points have already been covered? We have just completed this point, right? Customer taste behavior, and we are repeating the same point again. Yeah, we have discussed now. This is the second point of ratings.
Offers and discounts.
First point is discount. Are you guys able to see my screen or
Yes, yes.
you are not following the points that we have discussed?
Or is it the
Eh,
distance?
Sir,
that will
cost
come
per
under the
person.
power of expected delivery distance, right?
Sir, cost
When
per
we are saying
person.
expected delivery time, we are saying distance only, right?
Sir, cost per person.
Yeah,
Uh, estimated cost per person.
but that will come after you have selected the restaurant.
Or sir, maybe
Sir,
the
while searching it
or
gives, sir.
sir, stars of the restaurant for the 3 star or 4 star.
Ratings.
No, category on the pricing as such.
When you are doing a search, right? Hmm. Now, see the point that we are missing is the delivery fee. They also show you the delivery fee. So mostly customer have that tendency to select one of the restaurant where the delivery fee is zero, right? Why would I would choose a restaurant where delivery fee is high, right? So in Swiggy
But
or Zomato, they show delivery fee or delivery fee zero.
the delivery fee shows at the checkout point, no?
Yeah, but there, if you while you are selecting the restaurant, right, they will tell you free delivery. In case of free delivery, they will show you one icon which mention a delivery fee.
Usually they don't give delivery and free delivery now because they have like premium subscription or Swiggy One subscription.
Yeah, so but that even that customer needs to buy that package, right? One benefits what they call.
Yeah.
See, I am writing on a, I am sharing the screenshot on the chat. You all can see in the discussion group in WhatsApp. Please check out your this page. For example, this is what they show, right? Delivery fee, free delivery.
Sir, this shows
That's because you are
surge
the
in.
subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, then it won't show, I guess.
It shows sir surge pricing, sir, like Uber or something, that traffic is high, so
No,
delivery fee will be
even
more.
even even see, if I don't have one benefit, they show you if you buy one benefit, it will be free delivery. Otherwise, there will be free delivery charge.
Yeah.
This is the significance, right? I don't have that subscription thing, right? But they they show this is the way to sell your product, right? So let's say they have a subscription product. Okay, so let's say they have this subscription product, right? Which they call it uh, what they call it them. Let's say delivery fee ka package, one benefit. They are calling it one benefit, right? So what is happening is how they are playing with the customer mind is they are saying with one benefit delivery fee will be zero. Okay, but when one benefit subscription cost is let's say 300 rupees for 3 months, right? This is how they sell their product. But let's say there is a possibility you buy the subscription or you don't buy, right? But since they every time you search a restaurant, they will play with your mind. Ki if you let's say take this subscription, the delivery fee will be zero, right? But so this is they are showing through beautifully through the design of the app. If you don't buy, then the let's say delivery fee will be depend. So delivery fee here is the function of distance, right? Delivery fee is the function of distance, right? So let's say if that restaurant is nearby to you they will charge you 20, 30 rupees. Otherwise, they might even charge you 50, 60 rupees also, depending on the location. Hello?
Yes.
So are you able to understand why we are discussing so much on this point? List of the restaurant is top of the funnel, right? This is the point where Swiggy needs to optimize their search. They have to show you the top restaurants above so that the chances of conversion increases, right? Are you able to understand why this list of restaurant is very critical for Swiggy? Because if they are able to attract customer through their price, through their ratings, through their delivery fees, or their expected delivery time, they are able to sell more food items to the customer, right? In this way they will be able to take more orders from the customer. Do everyone agree why this particular step is very critical
Yeah.
step,
Yes.
right? Now tell me what will be the seventh step.
Order the food.
Selecting a food item.
So now you have selected a restaurant, now you will select the food item, right? Select food item. Now tell me how you select a food item since there will be so many items, right? What can be the other reasons to select food item?
Browsing through menu and choosing one of them.
What?
Browsing through menu and choosing one of them.
Browsing through menu. Okay. So
So
let's say
it
this.
again can
Uh,
be the discounts. What are the discounts for or ratings
Uh,
for the particular food item?
it may also depend on the comparison on different. I mean, I have to I have to purchase some select for some food item, then I go for different restaurant for the minimum cost.
see, you have decided that you want to eat today Domino's. Okay. Now you have reached to the Domino's stage. Now you want to order some particular pizza from Domino's. Now, what particular analog, what particular analysis goes into the customer mind while they are ordering pizza from the Domino's? For example, ratings can be one reason, discount can be reason. What will be the other steps?
Price and quality.
Restaurant
So price,
specialty.
Price, ठीक है, okay, I can understand. We all are price sensitive. The price will come here. Okay.
Quality and quantity.
Quality and quantity. How will you check quality? You will check quality through ratings only, na?
Yes.
So this is covered, na? Ratings.
Restaurant specialty.
Quant means suppose I'm ordering a pizza, so size of pizza also depends.
Sorry.
Expected delivery time. Expected delivery time for that particular food item.
Tell me one thing. Do food items delivery will depend on the food item or it will depend on the restaurant?
On the restaurant only.
Right? Why are you saying it will depend on delivery item then? You are within one restaurant. You are ordering pizza from Domino's. What all the parameters you will decide before and while ordering a food?
Combination of food, like what you like, desserts and all, after main course dessert and all, the combination of them.
But there will be so many desserts. I am saying there are 10 pizzas in Domino's. How would you select one Domino's pizza? This is the question. Please try
The
to
one which
understand
I
the
like,
one.
the
Let me
just the
complete.
taste.
I am saying whenever I am asking a question, always try to think why I am asking that question, right? You have to give a stress on it. Why? See, the reason being, this journey I will give you as an question for the assignment, right? But you won't be able to think so deep, right? The reason why we are discussing this as a case study, right? Because on each and every step I am asking you some question. I am asking you to think deep, because if you are able to think so deep for any product, right, then only that understanding comes. To understand the product, you have to, on each and every step you have to think lot, right? Acha, if I want to order a food item from, let's say, Domino's, there are 10 best food items, right? How would you decide? What specialty Swiggy and Zomato gives insight to a customer while ordering a food? Doesn't they give you an option? Doesn't they mark best seller for any restaurant, for any food item or not? Tell me. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
See, this bestseller is the most critical metrics while you are selecting a food item. Whenever you are searching a new restaurant, right? What is the first thing that you will see? You will search, obviously customer behavior and taste will definitely come at the top, but that is very common, na? I want to eat pizza today, so I made my behavior, okay, I will order from Domino's, I will order a pizza. But for me there will be 10 pizzas, right? Which pizza should I order? If I am a new customer, I will go by the bestseller tag, right? This bestseller tag is nothing but it is a function of the most popular food item that was being sold on Domino's. Have anyone has experienced this while ordering food from Zomato or Swiggy?
Yes.
So why we have not mentioned the same in the class? See, see this user journey and funnel analysis, you can only understand when you are going into the shoes of a customer. Whenever you are solving this problem, always assume you are the customer, you are the Swiggy customer, you are the Uber customer. Now think from the customer's point of view. If you are using the app, if you are searching the product, food item on any restaurant, and how would you order a food or not? Most sold most sold food item. Hmm. It is the most sold food item on that restaurant. Is this clear to everyone? Then other things we have mentioned, right? Ratings, discount, food price, taste, behavior, blah blah blah. That is fine. Now tell me what will be the next step.
Order the food.
Addition of cart addition.
ठीक है, card addition.
Card, huh?
Card addition. Most popular term is add to cart. Always used to say add to cart in the interview. Okay.
Okay.
Next step.
Checkout, payment check.
Quantity selection after that.
That will come under cart only, right?
Cart is okay. Okay.
Uh,
Then checkout.
Coupons.
what will come in the, see, again I am saying, think from the customer point of view. Do you guys just add to cart and do the checkout, or do you also try to apply some coupon codes to it?
Yes, yes, yes. Coupon code.
Now, in the checkout page, we get the option to
Yeah,
give
so
the
see na,
coupon.
so say na, in the checkout page we will what you will do, you will look for offers and benefits, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Then what?
Select a mode of payment, and then
See,
pay.
then you will see the, Swiggy will, sell their product here, delivery product. If you want to get free delivery on this product, delivery product on fee free, what they will say? They will say buy our
Add some more amount.
no, add more amount is the one thing that is that is also a good point, right? They also say, buy our one benefit product. That subscription plan of 3 months free delivery, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
they will check. Okay, this customer have the plan, then don't show it. Delivery fee is zero. If delivery
yes,
fee is greater than zero, then they will say, okay, this one benefit. This is the time to cross sell the product, right? Do everyone understand what is cross sell means?
yes.
What does cross sell mean here? Hello.
Providing the combination of the products. So if we are delivering, if we are given the pizza, then it can cross sell about the, if you want the, what are the cold drinks over there, or another pizza which is small.
Selling additional product along with the main product.
Yeah. See, one thing is cross sell item, है ना? So
Yes,
what Nikhil you have mentioned, it is cross sell food item, right?
Okay.
yes,
So let's say if you are ordering parantha, they will recommend you also, the customers who have ordered parantha, they also bought curd also, right? The
yes,
person who have ordered pizza, they have also ordered cold drink also. So that is cross selling of food item. Cross selling means is what is the advantage of cross selling, right? The advantage of cross selling is here is custom company, with the help of the data analysis that they have done on their data sets, they are able to recommend you, a better selection of food items, and this enhances their revenue, this enhances their average order price, average order value.
yes,
Second thing is cross sell of the product, right? Now what will happen with this cross sell of product, right? This cross sell of product may, what is happening is one product Swiggy has order food, right, which is main Swiggy product, right? Another product they have, what they call is one benefit, right? And another product they have is Instamart, right? So since these two are not linked, but these two are linked, right? So they are able to cross sell in their user journey. How to cross sell? While ordering a food, they are able to cross sell their one benefit, right? While ordering Instamart, while ordering grocery, this is used for ordering grocery from Swiggy. So while ordering grocery from the Swiggy, they are able to cross sell their one benefit as a product, right? Is cross sell definition clear to everyone? What is cross sell?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Mhm. So now tell me, while you are, doing a checkout, what all things you will look into? You will do offer and benefits you have done. Let's say if you find out ki, okay, my delivery fee is non is non-zero, you will buy this one benefit thing, right? What else? Hello.
yes, yes.
What all things you will look into it? Yeah, they will ask you, right? Think what they will. We are missing on one thing. While doing a checkout, what things are also they ask for?
Address.
Yes, addition, delivery address, right? This is also part of checkout page only, right? And this is common across e-commerce or food items, right? While ordering food from Swiggy, delivery address, right? Delivery address. So there also they help you to provide some tag, whether it's a home address, where
Office
so
address. Others.
worker or others, right? You can do that. Next, what is the step? See, the page that we were discussing about was the checkout page of the product. This then there you have to do the payment, proceed to payment, which we call it payment checkout page. We call it as checkout page for the proceed to payment, right? So while doing the proceed to payment, what is the thing that comes then? Proceed to payment, what will happen?
Mode of payments like
Mode of payment.
net banking, UPI, and all.
Mode of payments.
Mm.
Okay, then what happened? Payment can be successful or failed, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Payment is successful or failed, right? What is the next step that can happen?
Track the order.
Bounce rate can
Track the order. Okay, then what?
You also get 1 minute to free cancellation. That's a feature.
Free cancellation. Okay, great point. Then what are the
Uh,
options available?
Receiving the order.
dynamic delivery time like changes.
That is understood. Tracking that will come under the part of tracking, right? Tracking the
Okay.
order. Tell
Delivery
me what?
executives details.
What?
Delivery executives details.
Delivery executive details. Okay, great point. Good point. Delivery executive detail. Okay, then what?
Instructions to restaurant for your food.
Okay, instruction to restaurant. Then what? And one thing that we are missing is even let's say my order is placed, even after whenever let's say my it was taking 45 minutes. So between 0 to 45 minutes I can cancel anytime. Cancel the food.
Yes, yes.
There is an option of to talk to their care
yes,
agent, right?
yes,
Customer care you call them. You can cancel the food, right? So whenever you are canceling the order, right? We chase very important metrics, right? When canceling the order. See, we have discussed the user journey. Now let's just know about the metrics that we should be chasing. One of the metric can be, uh, success order cancelled divided by successful order placed. Let's say if it is 20 percentage, what does it is identifying? If this number is increasing to let's say 30 percentage, if I ask you in an interview, hey, suppose you are working as a product analyst at Swiggy and the by order cancellation rate has increased from 20 to 30 percentage, what does it mean when I say order cancellation rate?
Churn rate is increasing.
It is not a churn rate. Order cancellation rate I am asking. See, always try to think what is the churn rate. Churn rate was something whenever customers have stopped using that product. They uninstall the app. They are not even using the Swiggy. Here we are discussing about a
So,
metric. Key what is order cancellation rate? Customer has ordered the
so
food.
conversion rate will decrease.
I am saying order cancellation rate has increased from 20 to 30%. Think for a couple of minutes. If a order cancellation rate has increased from 20 to 30%, what does it mean?
The number of orders rate order cancel rate increases.
That is why I'm again. Why, if order, this is the metric I have written directly, right? Order cancellation rate is nothing but the total order cancelled divided by the total successful order placed, right? Now I'm saying why a particular, why order cancellation rate will be high for any company, let's say for Swiggy.
If the delivery time is more, whatever the customer expected.
Okay, one of the reason can be delivery. Good point. Delivery time might be high.
uh, there is a chance that customer ordered something wrong. Like it happened to me once. Like instead of chicken biryani, I had ordered veg
Let me write
biryani.
to the next page. So first point what mentioned is delivery time is high. This is a very good point. I think this is one of the North Star metric. North Star. This is the most critical reason why somebody will cancel the order. Right. Great job.
Yes.
Delivery time is high. Next, what can be the reason is?
Product quality.
I am also expecting others to speak. Lokesh, Indu, Vibhor, Rahul, Siddharth, Devinder.
Price comparison. If
See, I have ordered the food. Now, why I will be canceling it, right? But if the price was the issue, then I could have not even paid the payment. I have not
Or
even done the
order
payment, right?
mismatch. Order
Wrong
mismatch.
address mentioned.
Wrong
Order
address
mismatch.
mention. Okay. Think deep. And tell me the reason.
Surcharges,
Wrong address mention. Okay. Then
surcharge, additional charge on delivery fee.
how will you, bro? You have already paid the fees for the order, right? Now you are canceling. How can you pay extra? You have already paid what is the required amount. Why have Swiggy asked you to pay extra?
While I am paying, I just thought that there is a delivery fee, but they added the surcharge to the delivery fee to after payment. I seen it.
Have you gone through this experience ever in your life while ordering food on Swiggy?
Yes, from the regular restaurant only. I ordered from the regular restaurant, but it is when it is in rainy time they added the some surcharge. But I didn't see after the payment. I see that.
So I'm talking about the case where you have already paid the payment. Now, what can be the reason for delivery
Okay,
cancellation? This is not the case where we are asking the payment. I am asking order cancellation. What is order cancellation rate? What do you mean by the order cancellation rate? Tell me.
on restaurant canceling the order or delivery partner canceling the order.
What is the metric definition? Order cancellation rate. I just explained in the previous slide.
Number of orders cancel in. I mean, from total number of orders placed.
Yes, total number of orders cancelled divided by total number of orders placed. Total number of successful order placed. Always say successful order placed. So we are discussing the reason why this particular metric. The question in the interview will be asked in this manner, right? Ki why that particular cancellation rate has increased from 20 to 60%. What is the reasons? One can be the delivery fee is high. Second can be the you have mentioned the wrong address. What can be the other reason? Think. Please think
Wrong
and then
order.
answer.
Wrong order.
Okay, wrong order placed. And you realized it later, right?
No, actually, it had happens to me a few days back. That's
Wrong
why
order
I
placed.
was
Okay.
speaking it before
Hmm.
as well.
Okay, then
Packing, food packing.
Restaurant by itself canceling the order because I mean the item will be sold out or something else, but they never update it on there.
what can be the other reasons? Tell.
if I didn't receive the hygiene product or
Packaging,
food,
What?
packaging.
Packaging. Wrong order placed can be the another can be the quality of food items, right?
yes.
Quality of food, or you can say food is cold, right? Food is smelling. Food is smelling. What can be the other reason? Sometimes what customer do is they do fraud, right? What they do is they cancel, then they ask for token of apology from the customer care, right? They will fight with the delivery partner. They will say, okay, my order was delayed. The expected time was 45 minutes, right? but you ordered the food in 60 minutes. I have waited more than 15 minutes. What they will ask? They will ask token of acknowledgement. They will get a refund of 100 rupees. Let's say if the order value was 600, they might get, Swiggy might return them 100 rupees partial refund. Right? Do everyone understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me what can be the North Star metrics for Swiggy. Let's forget product metrics. Let's discuss if on a one fine day, uh, number of orders placed, okay, divided by number of order placed, number of food items, food items uh, added to cart. This number of order play has dropped from 60 percentage to 30 percentage. What can be the reasons why the number of order placed on Swiggy on one fine day divided by the total number of food items which were added to the cart have dropped? What can be the reason why customers are not able to successfully place the, they have gone to, they have done the sign up, they have ordered, selected the food items, one whenever they are placing the order successfully, they are not able to, they are dropping off, there is a poor conversion rate. What is the reasons? Someone tell me what can be the reason why this number of orders that are getting placed divided by the total number of food items added by the customer, they are these, this metric is particularly dropping. This is one of the metric, right, through our funnel. This metric is getting dropped. What can be the reason?
So maybe cost.
Okay, don't say maybe in the interview, always say one of the reason can be the cost.
Cost.
Okay, what can be the another reason?
If
Time
there is
taking.
any technical issue on
They
a
want
particular
discount.
page,
What?
Time
if
taking.
They want discount.
Please speak individually.
They want discount.
They don't give no discount and offer, right? No discount and offer. Yes, then
So more time taking.
what is more time taking?
More delivery time.
Just delivery time. Estimated
Yes.
delivery time is
No free delivery.
Estimated delivery time is high. Always say estimated delivery time is high.
high.
Okay, then
Free delivery option is not available.
no free delivery. No free delivery. Okay, then what? Think.
Technical issue in payment gateway.
Payment, payment issue, payment failures mainly. Okay, what?
Competitors are giving better price than them.
This will be part of no discount offer. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Another reason. Hello.
Again, quality issue.
Quality issue. How, since you have not ordered the food, how would you know whether the quality was good or bad? You dropped out before paying the payment.
Okay. Okay.
Taxes and packaging charges.
That will be common. This is, this cannot be reason, right? This taxes and charges are common for on every. So this won't happen, right? Because Zomato won't charge you tax. They need to pay some taxes to the government.
At restricted.
Taxes and charges are not their end, by the way.
I mean, packaging charges. Some restaurants will put some high
But
packaging charges as well.
what can be the packing charges? 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Why? See, are you think this is in a practical manner? Company like Swiggy, which have millions of customers, thousands of restaurants across India, their number of order placed per day has dropped from 60% to 30%. right? What can be the reason? The reason should be very strong now. Out of this reason which we have listed, right, which can be the major reason? This is the primary reason. This is my p naught metric, right? Estimated delivery time suddenly increase. This can possible when there is shortage of delivery executive, right? Or let's say one can be the seasonality issue, right? Let's say there is rain or storm in the market, storm outside,
A
storm in the
restaurant
city.
shut down, you can say.
You can say restaurant, the most famous restaurant of some locality stopped taking the order. Restaurant
Yes.
stopped taking the order. Think from this angle, the company like Swiggy, millions of customers are getting impacted. The reason should be very strong. The reason cannot be okay, there can be taxes, fee charges and all. See, there has to be very strong reason. Think, think again. What can be the other reason? Why the number of orders getting placed for Swiggy is getting dropped?
Or if there is any PR issues or particular companies damaging its PR, or what are the trust deficit amongst the customer.
How think more deep? How can the trust deficit will happen for a customer?
Some of the incidents like the Zomato delivery partners, they are trying to manipulate that particular delivery. So there is trust deficit among the customer about the uh, delivery of the product or the food item.
See, if there is a trust deficit, let's say you have a trust deficit for Ola, for example, you won't even launch the app, right? You won't even log in into the app, right? You are saying, I launched the app, I did the login again, I selected the food item, I spent 15 minutes while selecting the food item, what I need to eat today. I wanted to eat Domino's pizza along with the chocolava cake, and then I have added some discount, and then I'm not doing the payment. If your intention is the trust deficit, right, you won't even open the app. If you are opening the app, you are reaching so far, but you are not making the payment. What can be the reason? Understood, Nikhil?
Yes, yes.
That
Uh,
cannot be trust deficit. You have to think in a see from last 4 5 plus of what we are planning to develop. We are wanted. I want each and everyone thing should think from very basic, fundamental, and from the logical mindset. Product is very easy if you are able to think logically. If you are able to relate, okay, there can be 10. Yesterday we discussed, right? There are 66 metrics, but do we need to say 66 metrics in the interview? No, we want to say just top 5 metrics in that interview. Similarly, if I am asking what is the reason why this particular metric decreased, there can be 10 reasons why a particular thing can be decreased. This particular number of food order placed can be decreased, but you need to go one step further. You have to give okay, I will speak only the most critical one is the cost of the product has increased, or let's say there is no discount. Swiggy is not providing me any discount. Why would I will order from Swiggy? So same order from Zomato is costing me 500 rupees, but on Swiggy it is costing me 800 rupees. Why would I would invest 300 rupees more? Discount and offer, cost of the product, these are the critical reasons. Then there are more external factors. Let's say rain in the city, right? Swiggy has stopped delivering the food item. Suddenly they have stopped ordering the food item. There can be technical glitch in the system of Swiggy.
fast are going on like Navratri or Ramzan.
So if let's say fast are going on, you won't even select the food item. If you have decided that you have a fast, would you order a food?
Yes, right.
Think practically nothing. There is no very high-fi question I've asked you, right? I am just asking you the basic fundamental problem.
Other competitors providing better offer.
That we discussed, no second point, no discount and offer.
Combination of food is not present, not available.
What?
Suppose I have to order chapati and one vegetable, but
Huh?
vegetable is available, but chapati is not available.
Uh, so is the broader category will be, I have saying restaurant have stopped taking the order.
And sometimes some items will be not available that time.
But do you think because of one chapati food item is not available? Chapati food item is not available. This can be the reason, or this can be, see, this can be one of the reason, but this is not the critical reason.
In general, yes, in general, it is not there.
But what I am saying, whenever you are interview, see, you have now understood there can be 10 reasons, but
Yes,
I want the most important reason, right?
yes, yes,
In earlier classes, I want to develop your thought process. We all are discussing the random answers also. We are discussing 10, 20. Yesterday we discussed all those 66 metrics possible. But today we want to improve our answer. Today we want to give quality answer in the interview, right? If you want to give the quality answer the interview is, then the expectation is that there can be 10 reasons, but I need to give only two critical metrics. Cost of the product, no food items, no discount available on the Swiggy, right?
mm, yes.
There is another metric called card abandonment rate, right? What will be the card abandonment rate?
Number of items increased.
What?
Payment not done after adding.
Same. We call it same. Card abandonment rate means customer added the card,
But
but they are not moving
payment they
further.
have not
They are
done.
not placing the order. Same metric.
Yes.
Same metric. Ka another name is card abandonment rate. Card abandonment means canceling. Card canceling rate. Basically, you added some food items to the card, but you are not adding, ordering the food. You,
Yes,
even this,
card to under conversion will be also there.
what?
Card to under conversion means just added into the cart, but I am not doing anything.
So that is the same thing only. The card abandonment rate,
Yes.
conversion rate is poor, right?
Or bounce rate, you can also say.
Bounce rate, yeah, you can say the bounce rate. You can say it. You can say it.
Okay.
See, there can be so many questions that can be formed, right? Another question that can be formed is, let's say, uh, users who are logging have dropped. Users who are logging into the app, users who are logging into the app has decreased by 10 percentage. What can be the reason? Users who are
Users
logging into the
not
app
log.
on Suki M. Take a minute, take a moment, think what can be the reasons why on one fine day the number of users who are logging into the uni or logging into the Sugi app has dropped.
Sir, if for a long time Zomato is not providing discounts, so that may be one of the reasons.
Continuously receiving the bad experience in terms of quality, late delivery, and no discount available.
Think
Other company is giving good discounts.
competitors that ठीक
Competitor.
है this competitors
Competitor.
Yes.
competitors giving good discount, that can be the reason. I am expecting good answer. I am expecting quality answer. Think, don't give me random answer.
Sir, the service of the restaurants around my locality has
Technical glitch.
decreased.
Technical glitch, okay.
Yes, due to some update or something. UI change, something like that.
Hmm. Okay.
I believe we need to give the context to the whatever the drop has happened. Drop has happened in the month or year.
I am saying on one particular day it has dropped.
Any external factor like a flood or raining or internet shutdown in the particular area.
There is a possibility and there is a negative PR. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Negative PR in the market due to, let's say, some celebrity has tweeted against Sugi, right? That is possible.
yes, yes,
Negative marketing through social media, right? Through social media influencers, there is a negative marketing. Let's say tomorrow Virat Kohli tweeted against Sugi. They are not ordering quality food. So number of order placed, number of logins into the Swiggy will decrease, right?
Yes.
There's a possibility that government of India and has tutored, let's say, have not assured the quality of Swiggy. Anything can happen. This will fall under the external reasons only. Okay.
Yes.
What can be the other reason?
Sir, suppose the preferred mode of payment is cash on delivery, and Zomato has stopped taking cash on delivery on orders above 200 or 300. So that also may be one of the reasons.
Cash on delivery, yeah, that can be the reason, Pratik, but that is
Sir,
not the.
suppose if I mean Zomato launches a rule on one particular day, suppose that they are not taking cash above 200 or above 150. So on
Uh,
that particular, and if cash on delivery is the preferred mode of payment, so on that particular day it might drop. So the login might.
See, in your answer, what you have done is you have made two assumptions. Okay. What assumptions you have made? If a customer wants to order more than 200 rupees, right? Right? More than
Yes,
200 or
yes,
300. Second, you are assuming cash on delivery is the preferred mode,
yes.
right? So, Pratik, never make this mistake in your answer while giving the interview. If you are making some assumptions while giving the answer to the interview, you have to clarify these assumptions when you are giving these when you are giving this answer. So you have to first ask me, Mayank. Uh, so is there a possibility that customer that Swiggy or Zomato have stopped, taking order about 200 rupees or 300 rupees? Also, is the cash on delivery is the preferred mode of payment? So you have to ask me this question now, whether the cash on delivery is the preferred mode or not. I will say no. I will say no. Then this question, then this answer will become wrong, right? If this if
yes.
these assumptions are not true, then your answer will become wrong. Hello.
Some announcement from the
Yes,
company
sir.
or price increased or
That will come
anything.
under the external factor, na, we have discussed.
Yes.
There is a possibility, right? uh
Festival, maybe there is a festival on that day, that's why.
it will come under the
Customer,
external factors, external factor, Navratri, or let's
uh,
say one particular day customer does not want to give order, right?
Yes.
There is also a possibility that restaurants who have tied up with Sugi, restaurants have formed a lobby against Swiggy or Zomato, right? Restaurants have stopped doing the tie-up with Swiggy. Stop.
But the question is number of logins is decreasing, right?
Yeah, so number of logins will decrease because let's say if I don't launch the app, if I'm not opening the app, then how would I log in? I am saying there is the news in the market where the restaurant has stopped the tying up with the Swiggy. It will
that
again
would come in negative marketing only, right?
yeah, external factor. I am talking about the external factor only.
Yes.
Nobody has mentioned this reason, na, external factor. External factor, maybe we discuss negative PR, we discuss some fake news in the market, right? This will come under the fake news. Let's say there might
Mhm.
be some fake news in the market now. Oh, from tomorrow onwards, Swiggy restaurants have stopped tie-up with the Swiggy. Can you tell me why a restaurant will stop tying up with Swiggy or Zomato?
They are not getting good returns, like for each that food placement,
Not
order placement.
written is not the right word. Might be Sugi, might be, see, for let's say you
Commission.
are, commission is the right word, yes. Let's say for every 500 rupees order, Sugi is keeping majority chunk of the food, right? But restaurants are getting only 200 rupees. Sugi has increased their commission part.
Yes.
Sugi increased the commission, right? So see, whenever you are giving an answer, right? Whenever I am making any statement. For example, let's say I have said, "Ki okay, the restaurants in the market, they have stopped tying up." So immediately second thought should come. Okay, why would our restaurant will stop, tying up with Zomato, Swiggy? Because Swiggy might have increased the commission. When Pratik, you asked me when you told us the answer, you made these two hypotheses which we discussed. So whenever you are making any hypothesis, always ask question in your mind. If you are not sure, don't make any assumption in an interview. You are always expected to clarify your assumption or doubts to the interviewer. Understood, Pratik?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
There may be a strike due to delivery boys.
What?
Uh, a strike due to delivery boys. They are protesting against Swiggy or something.
Testing what? Didn't understand your point.
Uh, Suppose uh, Zomato is giving less payout to the delivery boys, so they started protesting against Zomato or something.
There will come in the external factors. So ठीक है, okay, we have discussed I think all the critical metrics. So see, from today's class we have understood couple of things. While giving any answer related to metric, funnel, product case studies, you cannot make any assumption. Don't make any assumption in your mind. You are expected to clarify your doubts, assumptions to the interviewer, then only make answer. And if you have 10, there can be a 10 reasons or even 20 reasons for any particular, there can be 20 answers to a question, right? But you have to prioritize and speak out only the top 5, top 4 metrics, possible reasons, reject reasons, jo bhi, all the possible reasons. You have to prioritize in your head, and then only you have to speak. You cannot give me the same answer again and again. You cannot give me the.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes.
So, are you guys feeling confident in in the product classes, in your product understanding? Are you are able to understand what is product metrics, how to think, how to make user journey, how to do funnel analysis? Is this, are you able to relate with it or not? Or you are, for you it's still a rocket science? Are you finding it easy, tricky? How?
Easy.
Others?
I mean, if we know the journey, like we are aware of the app and all, then it's easy.
What?
Then if we are already aware about this product, then it will be easy. If not, then it won't be that easy. First, we need to do the research and all.
So see, on few days back, Pocket PDF I have shared on the group, right? So
Yeah.
now
Yes.
the assignment for you guys is like, from that case study, first case study about Amazon, second is I think related to WhatsApp or Instagram, right? First two case studies, please read those two case studies and come in the next class. We will discuss those case studies.
Okay.
Uh, Everyone has that access to that Pocket PDF, right?
Yes.
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 Have you guys? So that Pocket PDF, mein, I'm expecting you should complete first two case studies. Then we will discuss questions around that or and try to understand those in detail. Right? In that case study, there are that question at Harshvardhan that you were asking now. That is the objective of that particular Pocket PDF. That Pocket PDF, what will it will cover all the most important product categories in the market out there. If you are able to understand the fundamental basics around those most important 10 products in the market, then you will be able to cover 99% of the case studies in your class or even in the interview. So
Okay.
tomorrow's assignment is read starting two case studies, and then come into the next class. We will discuss those. Hello,
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay, cool.
Yes.
is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
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 I'm just checking what is the second case study that I have written in that book is. First one is the Amazon, second one is Instagram. So first one is the Amazon, which is the e-commerce category. Second one is of Instagram. So try to take time, read both the case studies, try to understand what is mentioned. There are different types of customers are mentioned, different types of metrics are mentioned, different types of new additions to the problem statement are being mentioned. Try to read in deep and then come to the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and I have already, do everyone has the access to that PDF or I need to share it again? Let me share this again so that there is no confusion. I'm just sharing it again. Okay, so I am talking about this case study. I've shared on the group again. Please complete top first two case studies.
Okay.
I will be so tomorrow class again will be a form of discussion only. I will try to answer your queries. So I am expecting to read these two case studies because you have now understood the fundamental. You have now understood how the questions are being asked in the interview. So read it. Ask any queries. We will discuss. We will try to go more deep into the case study and try to find out some great answers, some out of the box solution to those problems.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. Bye. Take
Bye.
care.